In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an uncleared check report in QuickBooks Online. This is a handy tool that can help you keep track of which checks have yet to be processed by the bank, ensuring you have a clear understanding of your current financial situation. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Transactions section. Once you're there, look for the chart of accounts. This is where all the accounts are displayed, and it's the starting point for generating the uncleared check report. Take a moment to scan through your accounts and pinpoint the bank checking account you're interested in. This could be your main operational account or any other that you use regularly. When you've located the account, you'll notice a drop-down menu in the Action column. Within this drop-down, select Run Report. This action will generate a report specific to the bank checking account you've chosen. With the report open in front of you, the next thing you need to do is specify the report period. This is crucial because it defines the date range for the checks you'll be examining. Click on the Report Period option, and from there, select the timeline you're most interested in. It could be the last month, the current quarter, or any custom date range that suits your needs. Customizing this period will ensure the report is tailored to provide exactly the insights you're looking for. Once you've set your report period, it's time to fine-tune your view by using filters. Look towards the top right corner of the report and click on the Filter option. Think of filters as a way to focus only on the details that matter most to you. Now, click on Add Another Filter. This step allows us to narrow down the report even further. From the filtering options, select Cleared. This filter targets the checks specifically based on their cleared status. After that, choose the option Equals. This sets the condition for the filter. And finally, select Uncleared. By doing this, you instruct QuickBooks to display only those checks that haven't been cleared by the bank yet. And just like that, you now have a report that shows only the uncleared checks in your selected bank account and time period. This filtered view can be incredibly helpful in managing your cash flow and ensuring there are no surprises waiting in your reconciliation process. In a few straightforward steps, you've set up a report that keeps you informed and in control of your finances. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more features in QuickBooks Online and continue optimizing your financial management efforts.